Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to install part number 75-5144 for the 2017 to 2019 L5P Duramax. You're going to start by disconnecting the negative cables on both batteries. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor by pulling out on the red locking tab, pushing down, and then pulling out. Now you're going to remove the nut that's securing the resonator. Now you're going to loosen the clamp that's connected to the turbo, and then you can lift up the resonator and disconnect the tube from the turbo. Using a panel popper, disconnect the Christmas tree rivet from the airbox, and then once that's removed, you can lift up the intake out of the grommets and then fully out of the vehicle. Now you're going to remove the 4 bolts from the airbox mounting tray, and then you're going to remove it from the vehicle. Now you're going to install the silicone scoop seal onto the airbox. You're just going to want to make sure that the profiles do match up because they are slightly different. Before installing the airbox into the vehicle, you're just going to install the fender seal. Install the S&B airbox into the vehicle and then secure it down with the provided hardware. Install these 3 bolts. Next, you're going to install the snap-in filter into the airbox. Feel all the way around the snap-in part just to make sure that it's fully engaged. Remove the mass airflow sensor from the stock intake tube and then install the MAP gasket and pad and install it using the provided hardware on the S&B intake tube. Install the coupler onto the tube fully, and that'll make it a lot easier to install in the turbo later. Install the intake tube into the filter and then twist it to the turbo, and you can slide the coupler over. Tighten down the hose clamps. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor and secure the red locking tab. Last step is to reconnect the negative terminals on both batteries. And that's it. It's a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.